welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you I'm going to show you how to make a fake error message in macOS Sierra and all other macOS versions. This also works in macOS Catalina and macOS Big Sur, so please note that. Okay. Now go to Script Editor, or commonly known as Apple Script Editor. Type in display dialog. Now what this does is it makes a dialog box for when you do that, and then when you run it, it will display this. So like this. Like, do this. Like, so, oh, sorry, I'm chewing gum. So, just do example text. It will show up as example text. Now, if you want different buttons, don't worry, you can do different buttons. So, on the next thing, type buttons, and then do a bracket, quote, then option 1, bracket, quote, and then bracket. So now what we'll do is it will see, I type option 1, it appears as option 1. So you can put your text like okay, and we'll do okay, but also you can do okay and cancel by just deleting that, and then it will do that. So, and I'm gonna be showing you a little how can I say this? A little thing that I learned in this. So do say. Now this only works on Apple Script, so please note that. So like Echo, then like in Windows or Linux, you can do like Echo, then whatever command. This can be replaced with any word. So like hi, but it won't actually work because you try to do it, it won't work. So you have to do say, then quote, do like so like do that.
Example text.
And it basically says it. So that's a cool thing. In the next episode, we're gonna do variables. So stay tuned and like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a programming. Well, I mostly do gaming, but programming video. And yeah, bye.